Is there anything about the, you know, your industry specifically that that you're excited about, trending, that you see that you may be able to kind of step into some of that with level AI into the near future?
Yeah, no, that's exact. Um, so I mentioned Agent GPT, which we launched last week, right? And that's an
Oh,
example.
we need to
That's a
dive
like I
into
think,
that. Yeah.
yeah, I think that's exactly what your question, and that's what we are excited about a lot. So why do I say that? So in our space, as I mentioned, I started off with customer service is the largest store of unstructured data within the enterprise, right? All this is an ocean of information. Now,
Hmm.
with the latest set of technologies here, like ChatGPT and these large language models, um, we have an incredible ability to both sort of marry knowledge search with language understanding, and what that means is that you can have a very simple question answering system like ChatGPT. You can ask it anything. Now, without companies like Level AI, it does not translate to the enterprise. That's why we built Agent GPT, and we've been working on this even before ChatGPT was announced. And that's the
So
future of
explain
yeah,
what Agent GPT is and what it
yeah,
does and the practical functionality for the uninitiated.
exactly. So very simply, what it does is your any agent can query it, chat with it to ask any question which a customer is asking her. So it's like, imagine it as the, we call it omniscient AI, or like some, and like your super expert at
Hmm.
your beck and call, at an agent's beck and call, uh, all the time. And the
Okay.
way it knows everything about your enterprise is that we are learning from every support article, every bit of knowledge, every conversation to in the background. So
So
it's super
you're
expert AI.
you're consuming voice calls, you're
Mhm,
consuming knowledge bases, FAQs, knowledge
mhm.
management tools, uh,
Yeah.
information documents, everything,
Mhm.
and it's getting better. It's learning, and it's essentially an expert at the fingertips of the agent.
Exactly. And the power is, even if a solution does not exist, that's the power of these generative technologies. It writes the solution on the fly for this query. It has all the other information, and we have built that complete system. So we
That's
disrupt
very
knowledge
powerful.
management, question answering, agent training. Agent customer service teams have 100% churn sometimes. I've heard stories of
Mm.
200% churn, So now imagine a new agent comes in that environment. They have Agent GPT from day one. They're like, I know everything because I have this guy by me, or this gal by me, Agent GPT. You know, I can ask her anything.